Hi everyone, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're going to be making a New Year's drink and it's called a Sweet Heat Skinny Margarita. First, we're gonna grab our shaker and we're gonna do 1 pump of our agave, half a pump of our sugar-free mango syrup, and half a pump of our sugar-free lime syrup. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of silver tequila, half a cup of orange juice, and 3 fresh jalapeno slices. We left the seeds on so it will add a little extra spice. Throw some ice in and give this a shake. Now before we pour our contents into our glass, we are going to rim it. We just have lime juice here and we are going to rim it with tahini. Throw some ice into your glass. Now pour your contents into your glass. Make sure you get the seeds in there and the jalapeno. And we are gonna garnish with a few slices of mango and jalapeno. And there you have it, a Sweet Heat Skinny Margarita. Thank you for watching. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also be sure to follow us on our channel and subscribe to our newsletter. Cheers!